As far as Darb is concerned, it is advised after they have reached 10 years. One thing which is not mentioned in this hadith, but has been mentioned elsewhere, is that right from their birth up to the time of 10 years, you show kindness to them and invite them to namaz, salat, etc., everything good, with kindness and with words which they understand. For 10 years, you have been working on them. If, despite that, they show the signs of moving away, you're only permitted to beat them up to year 12, just for 2 years. Then leave them to God. After that, you have no right to beat them. And then about the beating, Rasulullah has explained very clearly that it should be soft beating and not hard beating. It should not damage them at all in any way. Particularly, he has forbidden to beat them on the face. So, with these instructions, inshallah, if any part of your future generation does not benefit from the previous tarbiyat up to 10 years, I hope they will benefit from these 2 years of small beating, soft beating, but not hard. Now, those in the operation room of television, they're hearing me, are they not? They should send for Bashir Nasir Sahib, because immediately after we finish here, there will be about 10 minutes from then to the namaz. And because the Bashir Nasir Sahib, come here, stand here and listen to me. Because the prayers are to be said together, Zuhr and Asr, because of the special rush of guests, so we'll have 10 minutes between the prayer and the picture. So I request you to move immediately after this to the hall. And you better prepare for that picture now. Everything should be said there. So without loss of further time, we shall all of us will stand together and get a picture. Right?